Hello, let us change these numbers from standard form to ordinary form. Solution. For question A, we have 1.63 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 6. This would give us 1.63 multiplied by, now 10 raised to the power of 6 means we have 1 and then 6 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now to get the answer from this, you need to know that after 1, the number of digits that follow is 6. So let's write. We have 1. Now we have 6 spaces to fill with numbers. So since we have 6 and 3, 6 and 3 out of 6 spaces leaves us with 4 more spaces to fill, which we will then fill with 0. So we have 6, 3, then 0, 0, 0, 0. Now you see that there are 6 digits after the number 1. Therefore, 1.63 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 6 would give us 1,630,000. Now let's get to B. For question B, we have 3.921 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 7. This can be expressed as 3.921 multiplied by, now 10 raised to the power of 7 means you have 1 and then 7 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 10 million. Now when we multiply this, it means after the number 3, we are to have 7 digits that follow 3. So after 3, we have 7 digits to fill. Now of that 7 digits, we have 9, 2, 1, leaving us with 4 more digits that will fill with zeros. So that will be 3, 9, 2, 1. Now 4 more zeros, that's 0, 0, 0, 0. And that will give us 39,210,000. Thank you.